Welcome. In this video, you are going to learn about the previous questions that has been asked from the writer Shakespeare. The purpose of doing this video is to give you an understanding of what to study when you choose Shakespeare. Most of the students have no clarity about how to study for this exam. So this video will help you. So I have gone through the previous question papers of CUET and found that Shakespeare is one of the hot writers. And this video we will discuss about 22 questions that has been asked from Shakespeare. Some of them are direct questions, some of them are tricky. Let's see. So the first question is, who among the following is not an early editor of Shakespeare plays? Remember, this is a very important question and very difficult question because we don't study this part. It is surprisingly John Dryden. Then another one, name the compilers of the first folio of Shakespeare's plays. Again, we have studied Shakespeare plays, but we don't know about the first folio. So it is Hemmings and Condell. So if you look at those, it is not from the plays, it is asked from outside the Shakespearean plays. Then another one, if you ask, name the Shakespeare play that has been adapted for the 1999 film, 10 Things I Hate About You. Totally a question, we don't never expect that. It is The Taming of the Shrew. And another one is a direct one. In which plays does Shakespeare use a mistaken identity involving twins as central plot device? It happens in the work The Comedy of Errors. Then again a quote from Shakespeare's play. Which of the Shakespeare's character is described as a goodly apple rotten at the heart? Actually, this is a comment said by Antonio referring to Shylock. With whom did Shakespeare collaborate to write The Two Noble Kinsmen? It is John Fletcher. So if you look at the question, you can understand that it comes a bit outside, not specific. Then direct question. In which play of Shakespeare does Orlando appear as a central male character? So we must know about some of the important characters of Shakespeare. That's what I'm coming at. It is As You Like It. And this is a very easy question, which is the last play of Shakespeare, which is Tempest. Then another one, it's tricky. What is the social status of Macbeth at the beginning of the play? In some universities, Macbeth is prescribed, but still this question, we have a doubt. It is Thane of Glamis. And how many plays did Shakespeare write? If that question comes again, you'll be lucky, it's 37. And in which play has Shakespeare written, sweet are the uses of adversity? So this is the second question asked from As You Like It. Which of these plays of William Shakespeare is a late romance? This is a very difficult question I found. It is A Winter's Tale. So you can see the pattern. Direct and simple question. Over-ambition is a theme in Shakespeare's which play? It is Macbeth. So Macbeth is repeated twice. As You Like It repeated twice. Which text is Shakespeare's Hamlet modeled on? Hamlet, the second question. It is modeled on the Spanish tragedy. I know some of the questions you are aware of. And once these two questions are taken from the single question paper, romantic comedies have significant characters. So 4 options are given and we have to pick one. Surprisingly, for both answers, it is all of these. In which of the following substance Shakespearean tragedy? So we must know about the features of Shakespearean comedy and Shakespearean tragedy. And very simple, 3 unities. There is a spelling mistake, 3 units. It's 3 unities. It is The Tempest. And the last one, Hindi film Hyder is an adaptation of which one? It is Shakespeare's Hamlet. So overall looking at, you can see that the questions are not as easy as we may think. So remember, these questions, there is no chance that the university will, the NTA will ask again. The whole purpose is to give you an understanding of what to study in Shakespeare and not to waste your too much time in studying unwanted things. So I hope I gave you some clarity on how to prepare Shakespeare. In another video, I'll come up with another writer. Until then, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you. Bye-bye.